Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on blocking text messages on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Messages app and open the message from the number you would like to block. Tap on the name or number at the top of the page. Then tap Info. Now tap Block this caller. Note that this will block all messages from this number, but will also block all communications from this number, such as calls and FaceTime. Tap Block Contact on the pop-up. You will no longer receive text messages from that number. If you decide that you want to unblock that person at any point, then follow the next steps. Open the Settings app. Scroll down the settings and tap Messages. Scroll down the Messages settings and tap on Blocked Contacts. Here you can see a list of your blocked contacts. To unblock a contact, tap Edit at the top. Tap the minus icon to the left of the contact that you would like to unblock. Then tap Unblock. That contact is now unblocked and can send you texts and call you again. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.